All right, Maddie's visiting her first job site today. We got a condo in Redmond, really nice. With all the junk piled up. And Maddie's here to manage the project. You want to take us on a tour, Maddie? There's John. We call him the Big Cheese, or Charlie Brown. Hefe. The Big Cheese. Here's the kitchen. All the soffits getting torn out, all new kitchen, quartz counters. Okay, Maddie, you're going to show us the next bathroom. First bathroom. Here's the first bathroom. Oh, we're getting new vanities put in. Toilet seats going to be replaced.
Bathtub.
Okay, Maddie, let's go to the next space. Bedroom number 1, nothing's getting done in here. Nice big bedroom, it's a master.
This way, Maddie.
Master in the bathroom in here is getting remodeled. New vanities, lights, quartz countertops, full paint out, toilets. All right, where are we going now, Maddie? Yes, you found a mirror. Who's that monkey in the mirror? Who's a monkey in the mirror?
Who's that? Who's that girl? Over here. Who's that girl?
What was that? That was scary, wasn't it?
Are they working in there? Should we go check it out?
Maddie, you didn't tell him to get to work?
No,
Tell him not to be so noisy.
No, you tell him to quiet down.
Tell him to quiet down, Maddie. You like John, don't you? All right.
Well, I got a truckload of garbage here.
Yeah, I see your garbage truck out there.
I got a truckload of garbage.
So this, the plug outlet over here,
Right next to us.
that one?
Yeah.
He, okay, so let me